Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Riri, and if you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and indie brands. Today's video is my Boxyluxe for June 2021. Alright beauties, before we dive in, please don't forget to thumbs up the video if you like what you see, subscribe down below if you have not yet, and tap your little bell notification right down there so that YouTube can notify you of future videos. If you are unfamiliar with the Boxycharm Boxyluxe, this is a $49.99 $50 seasonal subscription where you'll receive around 8 full-size products, makeup, beauty, hair, skin, nails, etc. And the value is supposed to be well over $200. So I always feel like the Boxyluxe is well worth the price. I always feel like Boxycharm, and I've said this many times, is worth the bang for your buck. And so we are going to dive in. You guys know I don't get any spoilers. I don't like to get spoilers. I like to be surprised. I like to pretend like it's Christmas time. Also, FYI, I may be slightly tipsy. So this might go awry very quickly. If it does, I do humbly apologize. So we are going to dive right in. I typically really love the Boxycharm boxes, so we shall see. This says Dare to Dazzle. I'm going to hide the back so I do not see it. Here is my number for my box. We're going to put that to the side because, again, we want to be surprised. So it is packaged pretty well. I'll take all of that out. And let me show you what everything looks like in the box. The first thing I see is a NARS blush. This is the NARS Orgasm Blush. I'm going to go ahead and say right now, I was not blown away by this. I ended up getting a sample size of this for my birthday a few years back. Everybody talks about this. It's a cult classic. It's a cult favorite. I didn't like it. I didn't see the hype in it. I didn't feel like it was very pigmented. So that is what it looks like. I will show you guys. I'll keep the little protector on there. So it is a beautiful kind of peachy pink with a little bit of a gold reflect. I don't know that mine that I got was maybe old. I have no idea. But I feel like this is a product that is overhyped. So I'm probably going to pass this along and put it in a giveaway. I know a lot of people swear by this. If you do, then kudos to you. I just did not see the hype in it. Next up is something from Luxie. I love Luxie brushes. So we'll dive in and see what these look like. So it's a cute little purple pouch. Gold, rose gold hardware. Oh, cute! I was expecting purple. Anyways. So it is a soft mint green set of 4 eye brushes, as well as a mini mint green blender. I will 100% be keeping these. The bag, not so much, and I don't know why it's purple and this is teal. Makes no sense to me. I don't know. So I will keep the brushes for sure. I will most likely put the bag into a little giveaway, but I'm still satisfied. I'm still okay with everything thus far. Next up is an Apothecary Associates Revive Body Gel. Energize and Awaken. Experience the refreshing and invigorating powers of grapefruit, rosemary, and juniper to even out the appearance of skin tone and texture and maintain a healthy glow. Massage into your skin each day using light upward strokes to stimulate the body. Focus on areas of concern like your hips, your thighs, your stomach, your ankle, and your feet. Stomachs. Your stomach and your feet. I don't know. I may read up on this. If you guys have tried or you got it and you've tried it, please let me know. That's not really something I'm super interested in, but we shall see. We're going to keep on going, y'all. Oh, Dr. Brandt. I love Dr. Brandt. This is the Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. Visibly smooths wrinkles and helps prevent signs of aging, and it is part of the Pride collection. So I will keep this. I'm definitely all about hydration and, you know, helping smooth these wrinkles and the signs of aging, honey. We want to age gracefully. So I will keep this. I really do like that. Next up is something by Avant. This is the Hyaluronic Lactic Vitamin B3 Mint Glycerin Collagen Isoparaffin Benzoic something. It's a hyaluronic acid replenishing lip serum. That's a lot to say. Yeah, guys, that's a lot to say. I'm actually super intrigued by this because in my Boxy pop-up, I ended up getting the Avant lip scrub. So I'm super excited to try this. Actually, let me try it now. Why the hell not? So super cool. I would think that, and I know this is like kind of a more like high-end bougie brand, I would think this would have been glass, but it's not. I literally smell nothing. Oh, wow. Wow. It kind of feels, it's very cooling. It almost feels to me like aloe. If you've like gotten sunburn and you try the like after sun sunburn aloe like treatments, gels, this is exactly what that feels like. It tastes good. I'm pretty sure I'm not supposed to be licking this, but it tastes pretty damn good. And I'm pretty sure this costs a pretty damn penny. I will for sure use this. Next up is an NYS. Clarkson Avenue. I don't know what this is. Sunglasses. Okay, this is an NYS. Oh, those are big. Oh, they're cool though. Okay, so this is a really cool kind of big framed tortoise shell sunglasses. I really like how the arms of the glasses look, and it has some really pretty gold detailing here. I'm going to try them on. I always, you guys, feel like I look like a jackass with sunglasses on. I feel like they do not fit my face well. I mean, I'm a big girl, but I have a small face and small features. So, yeah, see, I feel like that's way too big. I feel like I look like a fly. They're comfortable. I will say that. I don't know, you guys. They're really pretty though. They feel really well made, good quality. I'm gonna have to watch this back tomorrow when I'm sober and see if I like them. You guys let me know. I feel like they look too big, personally. I don't know. I don't wear sunglasses, and maybe that's just what throws me off about sunglasses. Because like my regular, glasses that I wear every day are like teeny tiny. But the detailing and everything is beautiful. They feel very high quality. They feel really well made. I don't know. I need y'all's help. Comment down below. Should I keep these? Should I wear them? Do they look okay? Do I look like an idiot? Next up is something very heavy and something that leaked everywhere. Gross. Ugh. This is a Smith French Dublin Fresh Green Leaves Aromatic Hand Wash. An invigorating hand wash, power-packed with uplifting essences, help to clear the mind, energize, and inspire. Wild pine, woodland, mint, and rosemary. I'm not even going to smell this, you guys. If you've been here for a while, other than chewing gum, I do not like mint. I don't want mint in any of my beauty products at all. I just don't like it. But it did kind of leak out everywhere, if you guys can see. That kind of sucks, but I will probably put this in a giveaway. I'm so terribly sorry. I'm sure maybe somebody really likes those types of fragrances. They're not for me. So we're going to pass that along. And then last but not least is an Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. That sounds amazing. Pumpkin Glow Facial Cleanser with pumpkin, acerola, cherry, and mango butter. It cleanses, brightens, and nourishes. That sounds amazing. Pretty sure this is a full size, and Elemis is, again, one of those very kind of prestige, high-end skincare brands. I want to smell it and see if it smells good. It feels quite heavy and quite luxe. Ooh, wow, very nice. I can't tell if this is plastic or glass. So I'm going to open it and see. Ooh, pretty. It doesn't smell bad at all. It smells nice, like a clean, fresh soap, but I don't smell any pumpkin. AHA Glow Cleansing Butter, Pumpkin Glow. Yeah, I smell no pumpkin. So that's a little bit of a letdown, but I am intrigued by this, and I'm super, super excited to test this out. I actually will test this out tonight. I have a little bit of makeup left. I was at the pool, so I don't have much makeup on my face. But I do want to try this out. So we're going to dive into some details. I think overall an okay box, I literally got no makeup. And I typically don't care. You guys know this. I am definitely more a skincare fanatic, if you will, but to get like no makeup products, I'm a little disappointed, a little upset. I'm intrigued to go watch some other people's videos. So we will dive in to our deets. The Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter melts away makeup and daily impurities while leaving your skin looking healthy, fresh, and glowing with this buttery, brightening cleanser. A unique blend of fermented pumpkin enzymes and acerola cherry, rich in AHAs, helps to brighten skin, while mango butter and chia seed oil nourish and hydrate the skin. That is $38, which is pretty on point and on par with Elemis. I will try this tonight, and I'll leave a comment up here for you guys. Next up is the NARS blush. This cult favorite, best-selling blush delivers a weightless, natural-looking rush of cheek color? Does it mean flush? Rush of cheek color in matte, satin, and shimmering finishes. That is $30. Like I said, unless mine was old or something like that I got from Sephora, was not impressed. The Luxie Florals Brush Set. Soar into summer with a new brush set, featuring 4 new brushes, a sponge, and pouch, which include the 219 eyeliner brush, a 205 tapered blending brush, a 213 eye shading brush, 211 concealer brush, a detailed blender, sponge, and a pastel purple pouch for $40. Would I spend $40 for that? I don't know, but I do love Luxie's brush quality. The weight is nice to them. They're typically packed pretty kind of tight and full, so I really do like them. I don't understand the purple pouch with the damn teal. Like, why not put it in a teal pouch? I don't know. Next up was the Avant Skincare Hyaluronic Acid Replenishing Lip Serum, a lip serum designed to simultaneously plump and nourish the lips. Hyaluronic acid works to intensely hydrate, plump, and balance moisture levels without feeling sticky. I agree. It does feel quite comfortable. And lactic acid, it contributes to lightening the pigmentation and nourishing the lips effectively. And it's $122. For that much, honey, it better propose to me and come with a damn diamond ring. That's a lot of money. I will put that to the test, and I will update you guys down the line. The NYS Collection Clarkson Avenue Sunglasses. These shades are your go-to everyday fashion frame with a perfect balance between timeless and edgy. I agree. They feature a slightly winged square frame, polycarbonate gradient lenses, gold metal accent, and a quilted embossed temple pattern, which I really like. They're gorgeous. And they're $35. I think that is more than fair. I've never heard of the brand. Again, comment down below. Should I keep them? Do I look like a damn idiot? Let mom know. The Aromatherapy Associates Revive Body Gel. Enjoy the naturally exhilarating properties of this Revive Body Gel for skin that feels refreshed and smooth. A high concentration of the finest essential oils of juniper berry, deliciously invigorating grapefruit, and stimulating rosemary help promote an even skin texture and boost energy, and that is $46. I don't know. That's not something I typically use. I don't know. I may try it. I'll let you guys know. The Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. This antioxidant-enriched moisturizer provides skin with 12 hours of protection from damaging free radicals and external aggressors. It's formulated with a revolutionary A3 power, a dynamic shield boosted with antioxidant, anti-stress ingredients that help preserve a youthful appearance. And that is $64, and it is a new launch for Dr. Brandt. So I'm very intrigued, very excited about trying that. And then last but certainly not least, we have the Smith French Dublin Fresh Green Leaves Aromatic Hand Wash. That does not even sound good to me. I'm sorry. This invigorating hand wash is power-packed with uplifting essences, lovingly made in Ireland. Oh, I love Ireland so much. That's on my bucket list. Enriched with locally sourced ingredients. It helps to clear the mind, energize, and inspire, and that is $25. I mean, I will say that it is a really large size, and if it is made in, Ireland, things like that, I could see it being $25. I just don't like those woodsy, types of scents, even like Christmas tree scent, that pine, all that kind of stuff. I don't like any of that. So that's just personal preference. So we will quickly go over what we got one more last time in the box, and then I will bid you guys adieu. Hopefully I'm not too tipsy to have not explained the box well for you guys. Let's put the glasses on. We're going to put these on. See, I don't... Oh. Looking here, I feel like they look okay. Looking in my mirror right here, I feel like they take up my entire face. So I'm going to put the box out of my way. So this month's Boxyluxe, we got our glasses. I mean, I love the design. The design is phenomenal. I love them. Size-wise, I don't know. Y'all let me know. So we got the glasses. We have our soap, our Fresh Green Leaves Aromatic Hand Wash. We got our new release, the Dr. Brandt Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. We also got our Avant, bougie as hell, $122. The Hyaluronic Acid Replenishing Lip Serum. We got our Aromatherapy Associates, our Revive Body Gel. This is a big size though. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We got, I think I'm most excited probably about this and the Dr. Brandt. This is the Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. So exciting. Even though I wish it smelled like pumpkin, that would make me a little bit more exciting. And then we have our Luxie brush set. We have the little pouch, the small mini mint blender. And then for brushes, again, I absolutely love Luxie. I love Luxie brushes. I feel like they're really good quality. 90% of the brushes that I have, literally, you guys, are from the last 6 to 7 years of getting subscription boxes, okay? You didn't hear that. And then last but certainly not least was our NARS Orgasm Blush. Again, I know this is a cult classic for so many people. I didn't care for it. Just saying. So yeah, do I think it was worth it? I'm going to have to be an ass and really say no, you guys. You guys know I'm all for skincare, but I've really noticed lately, especially, that with most of my subscription boxes, even watching other people kind of after I do my own unboxings, there's not as much makeup. And I don't mind that. You guys know that traditionally I do not mind it. But literally there's one makeup item. I mean, you could consider the brushes, I guess, makeup. And not that I won't use some of these products, but I really feel like if it's supposed to be a beauty subscription box, yes, I consider beauty as skin, hair, nails, etc. But I know that a lot of us like to get more makeup products. So I don't know. Maybe based on what I am going to use, which is these 4 things. See, I have to base it on this. Maybe the glasses. I'm letting y'all be the judge of that. Based on these, I'm slightly disappointed. I'm going to leave it at that. So I'm going to bid you guys adieu. I love you beauties so much. Thank you for hanging out with me on this wonderful Tipsy Boxycharm unboxing. I'm going to go wash my damn face and I'm going to go to bed. I love you beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. Drink responsibly and be your own best beautiful. Bye beauties.